Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Before I start my video today, I'm pretty sure that you're aware what's happening surrounding us beside the COVID-19. And I just want to share one thing with you guys, make it very simple, very quick. Before you are reaching out to helping others, really, you need to focus on yourself first. And when I say focus yourself, I look at the two parts, your physical and your mentally. Meaning that your mentally has to be positive, has to be very bright, have a very clear goal. So when you go out there helping others, you don't get brainwashed on what others people believe. Because you as an individual, you have to believe your cause. So mentally, it's very important to me. Secondly, physical. If you're not healthy, how are you going to help others, right? So being healthy, taking care of your body, that's also very important. When you have both area that's strong and focused, then you can figure out how are you going to help. So I just want to share that with you real quick because I get a lot of people asking different questions, and I get it. You know, it is a tough time, very sensitive matter. So we just want to be send out a very positive energy out there and pray everyone's safe and healthy. That's what I want to share with you guys. Okay, so today's videos, I want to share with you, I have a new job. New job. Did I quit SK2? So if you want to hear that, you must stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Okay, so I did not quit SK2. I'm still working with SK2. I believe this will be my 17 years with the company. That is way too long, right? But today I want to talk about my new passion, my new journey, and that is with the Optavia. And if you're not familiar with Optavia, I'm going to put a link below. I made 2 videos already. The first video is talk about why I joined the Optavia weight loss plan. So it's weight loss. And number 2 video, it's really unboxing what kind of feeling, what kind of meal plan they're offering. So it's more like an unboxing video. So you can take a look at those 2 videos. But today's video is really to focus on after 3 months. Yes, I've been doing this for 3 months. Did I see any change in my life? How's my body react? Did I change my life habits? So that's what I want to share with you. And the most important thing, is this achievable? Can you do it? So that's what I want to share. If this is not something you are interested in watching, feel free to move on to the next video. You won't hurt my feeling. But if you want to change your life to be healthier, stronger, not only mentally, also physically, you gotta watch this video. I think you might find this very helpful. So much information, so much emotion. It is very hard for me to give you a bullet point, but I'm going to try to make it simple and get to the point. So fast forward from March 1st until today. Today is, how funny, today is June 2nd. So it's literally exactly 3 months I'm on Optavia plan. Top line. Optavia, it's the plan for people to help people to achieve the healthy weight goal and then help you to maintain your weight. That's what it's all about. And I'm not going to detail exactly how the plan works because that's not what this video is about. You can look at my other video I shared with you earlier. So bottom line, it works. If you don't believe me, check out my video from February and beyond. You can see my face. It's definitely smaller. And I want to show you a couple of pictures of me. I'm going to put it right here, but I'm going to look here. So first picture I want to share with you is, hold on. It's me back in February 3rd. So this photo was taken at the Disneyland at the Club 33. Oh my gosh. I mean, I don't look bad, but you can totally see my face is very round. My neck is actually very thick too. Then, I want to show you another picture here. That was February 3rd, right? So I want to show you, actually January 3rd. That was me at the South Coast Plaza. So my face, my skin is good, I know that, but you can see how round is my face. That was January. So I should have showed you January 1st. Then we look at February. Then I want to show you, what day is this? Then I want to show you March 1st, the first day I start a journey. So you can still see my face is very, very round. Yes, that's a Birkin 25 or 30, right? You see that? And then I want to show you, hold on. So March 1st. This photo was taken on May 25th. Ta-da, with my new Louis Vuitton Nano 9. Look at how small and slim my face look. So I pretty much lost about 22 pounds. So today I weigh in between 147 to 148. I started with 170 pounds. Anyway, I just want to show you the picture real quick here. So I think the first thing you probably wonder is it easy? You know, can I do it? It's hard to do it. Well, I want to let you know this. The system is easy, but it's not easy. It's with your mindset. That's why I keep on saying mindset is so important. We as a human being will always go back to what we feel comfortable. Anytime you feel there's a wave and there's a block or there's a obstacle, you immediately pull back, go to where you feel most comfortable. I want to tell you this. If you have that mindset, it will be very hard for you to achieve what you want in your life. I'm telling you this right now. Anytime you're facing challenge, you really need to tell yourself that, how can I face the challenge and find the solutions, build a bridge, and move forward with my life. Because you cannot be hiding. And yeah, you can hide, but then your life is always going to be paced around this area. If you want to move to the next level, you got to work harder. Work harder doesn't mean always physically harder. A lot of time it's your mentally harder. So definitely better stay strong. And I found the plan work. In fact, I already helped about 15 people, and some of them is my family member, and then the other half are the fans. Believe it or not, some of you actually reach out to me and want to know about Optavia, so I become your coach. And I won't say the name, who you are, but you know, you all lost weight, right? And so I know the plan work. And I still cannot believe that I did this for over 90 days. Am I achieved my ideal weight? My ideal weight is 145 pounds. So I'm only a few pounds away. But I'm going to tell you, it's really hard to get the last few pounds. So I'm still hanging there, trying to do the best I can. But overall, I feel fantastic. Not just looking good on photo. It's like mentally, I feel good about myself. I don't feel insecure when I walk. I don't feel insecure when I have clothes off. You know, I feel much more better now. I don't have a six-pack, okay? That's way down in the future. But at least I don't have that huge belly right here. So I feel good mentally. Physically, I look way better. I can put on my clothes from 10 years ago, and I still fit very nicely. So I know the plan worked. But I feel like the most important thing is coming next. That is continue healthy life habit. And this healthy life habit, it is what Optavia is all about. Because the formula, the plan will help you to lose the weight. However, how are you going to maintain the weight? It doesn't get any weight back. That is the most challenging part. That's why I keep on staying on this plan for 1 more month, because I feel like I'm not ready to change my, I shouldn't say I'm not ready. I'm ready to change healthy life habits, but my mind still go back to the old way. That's being a human. Like I said before, we are so used to a certain way of living, it is really hard to change yourself to adapt a new way of life. After this month, I will get off the plan program and begin on my own. And it's really focusing myself to make small meal, eat every 2 to 3 hours, and be healthy. And I definitely will do a video, give you an update, see did I fail or did I successfully do it. finger crossed. But I just want to share with you that this plan has changed my health so much. I think it was 6 months ago I diagnosed sleep apnea, and they want to put a machine on me to go to sleep. I refuse to do that because I snore so much. I actually scare my partner because a lot of times I snore so loud. I should stop breathing a little bit. And by the way, Optavia doesn't claim to change your health, okay, or disease, nothing like that. I just personally found that it changed my sleeping habit, pattern. I sleep way better now. And what's really cool is I used to need to sleep like 10 hours. Now all I need is really 6 hours, and I woke up naturally. That's really, really bizarre. And I'm awake pretty much throughout the day. I'm more energized than before. So I'm just saying, feel really, really good about myself. And back to what I said earlier, when you feel good about yourself, you can help others. So as I mentioned before that, I got some people reach out to me, want to learn and participate in this plan. This is what I would do for you, honestly. I don't need to be your coach. So what you do is I'll put a link below. If you're interested to have a healthier life and to be stronger mind and body. And I want to let you know this, okay? This plan work on people who want to lose 100 pounds, 200 pounds, down to 10 pounds. I mean, it doesn't matter what is your goal in life. This plan can help you. It really, really can. And so you just need to go to Optavia.com, fill out the online survey, and then you can find a coach near where you live, or you can find a coach that that you know somebody on the plan. So either way, you know, I believe that every coach in Optavia would love to help you to achieve the way and healthier life that you want. So at the end, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video. I know there's a lot of talking here, but I hope that this help you and better understanding how you are going to change your mind, your body, and your, everything around your life. And at the end, don't forget to follow my social media and take good care of yourself. It is a tough time right now, and to close this, I just want to rephrase what I said in the beginning. You gotta take care of yourself first. Your mind, your physical. When you take care of those two, then you can help out others or your family. If you don't take care of that, you can't help anybody. So please take care of yourself. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.